Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. Today we'll be learning how to use the trim function in Excel to remove unwanted spaces from your text. This is a really helpful tool to clean up your data, especially when you're working with lists or importing data from different sources. So let's dive in. So how are we going to remove these spaces? The first thing that we're going to do, we're going to type the equal sign, and then we'll type trim, and then we'll press tab, and then we select the data that we want to remove the spaces, which is C4, and then we hit enter. As you can see now, the unwanted spaces, they have been removed using this trim function. So if you want to apply the same thing to the rest of the data, we just use our fill handle and we double click at the lower bottom right corner, and there we go. All of our data has now been cleaned, and we can now use the data for its intended purpose. Thank you for watching this tutorial. See you in the next video.